If you're a developer and you're not using AI prompts like these, you're working twice as hard for half the results. Today, I'm sharing the essential AI prompts that every developer needs to know in 2025 to code faster, smarter, and with way less stress. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's your new coding partner. From generating entire functions to debugging tricky errors, the right prompt can save you hours, sometimes even days. So let's jump into the 5 categories of prompts that will instantly upgrade your development workflow. First, code generation. Example: write a Python function that scrapes real-time weather data and returns it as JSON, optimized for low latency. This kind of prompt gives you working code in seconds, ready to test and deploy. Debugging and error fixing. Second, debugging. Example: here's my JavaScript code and the error message. Suggest 3 possible fixes and explain why each might work. AI not only spots the bug, but teaches you why it happened. Third, optimization. Example: optimize this SQL query for speed when handling over 1 million records. The AI can show you performance tricks that you might not even think about. API integration. Fourth, API integration. Example: generate sample code to integrate the Stripe API with a Node.js backend, including error handling. With this, you can connect services quickly without getting lost in documentation. Finally, documentation. Example: add professional, beginner-friendly comments to this code snippet for onboarding new team members. This makes your code cleaner, more readable, and easy for others to understand. Bonus tips. Pro tip: always give your AI prompts context. Specify the language, the style, and your exact goal. And don't be afraid to chain prompts together for complex tasks. Try these prompts today and see how much faster you can code. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because here at Prompt Savvy, we make AI work for you, not the other way around.